Hey guys, I know I look like shit. I literally was up till like 3 from like, well, all day yesterday because I went shopping with Sam. I got a dress, a pair of jeans, a skirt, and some shoes, and some underwear. But I'll do a haul later. Um, but I stayed up till 3 because that's when the two new limited edition Jeffree Star, velour, lipsticks, whatever, in Queen Supreme and 714. I keep saying, I want to say 716 because that's my area code, 714. And they got released at midnight his time, which is California time, so it's 3 a.m. New York time, and literally they're already sold out of 714, which is the peachy orange tone, which I have a picture of, just in case people don't know what it looks like. And he made 10,000 of each color, and one of them's already sold out. That is insane. So, I don't know if you can see it. The top one is like a pinky purpley color. That's Queen Supreme, and that is 714, and then that's Queen Supreme. So, and then I have a picture of the dress that I got. Well, that's the skirt. I wasn't worried. I was just wondering, Jesus. That's the skirt I got. And that's the dress I got. Don't mind my boob. But yeah, with those shoes. Just because I asked where you went doesn't mean I was worried. I was just wondering. Dumbass. I hate my dad's car. Anyways, today, birchbox. I already cut it open so I can easily. Tomorrow would be Etsy because they said it's on the way. They didn't, like, birchbox sent me the tracking information late. Like, I went to the website and they already showed the tracking information, and then like 3 days later they sent me they already sent me the email. Ipsy didn't even send me the email, and it's already gonna be here tomorrow. Way to go, Ipsy. I'm still waiting on my glossy back. Even though I canceled it, they still sent me one. Lovewood Food would be here Monday. My Bonjour Jolie sent out, so that'll be here shortly. My Madam Ladybug will be here shortly, hopefully. So yeah, I'm excited. Splundies will be here towards the end of the month. Oh, I cut it. Well, this is what the merch box looks like. You got like a choice of 3 or whatever. So, green tissue paper. I feel creative when I blank. March 2015, creativity. It's like nice out, but like I didn't know because my room was cold, so I put this on. But it's, when do you feel most creative? Huh. Fill out the front of this card, share it, and tag Birchbox, and give away for a chance to win full-size versions of everything in your box. And then it has everything. So open it. I don't want to know what the hell that is. So that's what the inside looks like. So this one's pretty, so let's do this one. Beauty Protector. Protect and detangle leave-in conditioner. Now, last time we had a leave-in product, which was that dry shampoo. I had allergic reaction, so this is thick as hell. Instant detangler, thermal protector, UV protector, seals cuticles, smooths hair, locks in color, adds shine, weightless, non-greasing conditions for all hair types used daily. I can barely see that. Look how cute the freaking bottle is. Full size is $21.95. Holy balls. Best-selling elixir that locks in color, protects from heat damage, and adds silkiness. Spray gently onto damp hair before styling. Warning: this signature scent is addictive. That is, how can that be addictive? I mean, it's not like bad, but it's just like. My lips are still. I have a day on Sunday. Like, he canceled work because he wanted to hang out with me today. I'm like, no, you're going to work. Does nail polish? Jelly Pong Pong Glow Getter Illuminizing Gel. Looks like nail polish. Full price is $14. This weightless gel formula gives skin a subtle pearlescent shimmer. Dab onto cheekbones and brow bones and glow get on. Oh. See, people would think this is a nail polish because it looks like a damn nail polish. Like the nail polish I got in my Beauty Box 5. Sam was going to get it, and then I gave it to my dad's girlfriend because she liked it, which is that color, and then my dog got it. Wonder couch. Looks like nail polish. It's cold. I mean, you can kind of see it right there. So you can, like, kind of see it. Okay. It's this packet from Micro Niece Glow Kiss Starlet. It says Starlet. It says that I got Angel Kiss. It says Starlet. Oh, I did get an Angel Kiss. Full size of this is $22. I would never pay $22 for a lip product. Since the person that just bought it spent $41 on 2 lippies. But they're limited edition. I have issues. It's a Glowy Kiss hydrating lip cream, delivers bold, lasting color with silky, smooth, and shiny finish. Simply glide onto lips for a glossy look and blot for more matte stain. I mean, it smells makeup-y. Oh yeah, that's the color. I would never wear it. Merry Christmas, Sam. And then, ooh, what in her? That little. That's what it looks like. Harvey Prince. I've heard of it. Oh, I thought I got an extra thing. This is a light cream concentrate. 24-hour miracle cream. Full size is $16 to $28. A makeup artist must have this. Cult moisturizer moonlights as a primer and makeup remover. Apply a small amount to clean face and neck. Dab with cotton ball to remove makeup. It's all in like French or some shit. And we have the instructions are in freaking foreign language too. No. It's like in the middle too. And you use cap to like take off the thing. I mean, it works as a makeup remover because I'm dabbing it on that, and that's coming off. I don't really have a smell. But yeah, Ulta's having a sale this weekend. Next weekend. Starting Sunday. We got their little ad for me and Sam. We're gonna go. because I want new NYX products. Oh yeah, I'm getting a NYX product in my Ipsy. Okay, last thing is this Harvey Prince Sincerely full size is $55. Skin spray. Sweet, spicy scent with Indonesian clove bud, Indian turbos, and Japanese orange flowers. Spritz under pulse points to see where intriguing scent takes you. Gonna drop it. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It's not something I would, like, wear, but it doesn't smell bad. Oh, no, it smells bad. Like I said that I would get, like, that I would, you know, like to get perfume samples just because I want to smell different things. I mean, overall, I wanted, you know, I've always wanted to highlight. I never really bought one. The cream. The spray. I mean, I'm kind of scared to use it. But I can give it a try, and if I have a allergic reaction, then Sam's getting it. But other than that, I mean, it's not bad. Yeah. So tomorrow should be Ipsy, and then I'll do everything else as I get them. Japan Crate is coming next month because I ordered it too late. Lunch Pack will be here at the end of the month. Splendies. I'm getting an extra one in Splendies. Glossy Box, like I seen sort of what's in it. I'm not really impressed. There's like a shampoo. I mean, yeah, shampoo, but give me makeup. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna go out and enjoy a little fun while in the warmth while it's still here. So until tomorrow. Bye guys.